Okay, hi guys, and welcome to another video. In my previous video, I shared a feature where I was invited as a guest on a live radio program. Way back in 2019, the good old pre-COVID days. For the sake of posterity, only minimal edits were applied to the original footage, except for the bilingual captions. I am thrilled to know that most of you found the bilingual captions helpful, bridging the gap between languages and bringing us all a bit closer. Today, we're diving into something truly fascinating. Picture this, a kris steeped in history and mystic, making its way from France into my hands right here in Singapore. Now, it's been a while since we've embarked on an unboxing journey together here on this channel, and I am excited to share this moment with you today. Now, unboxing isn't really my style. I'm more of a tear straight into the package kind of person. But there's something about sharing this experience with you that transforms it into something special. So, without any further delay, let's roll the intro and get on with today's unboxing. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Keris Johari, better known as Pak Jofe, the kris collector from Singapore, your personal guide to the exciting world of the kris and its collecting culture. If you are a fan of history, art, and mythology embodied into these traditional daggers that we natives of the Malay world refer to as the kris, be sure to subscribe and join our community right here on the Kris Collector YouTube channel. And here it is, the package from France. Now, do pardon the blanks as I have removed my personal details for privacy's sake. Now, you might be wondering as to why this package is rather small for a kris. With a blade measuring slightly under 21 centimeters, this is a kris categorically classified as the solid type. Quite a small kris, which makes it even rarer, as it is getting harder to come by such antique specimens these days. Now, here's my Western microblade to slice open the packaging, a very good knife that I love to use since last July. Personally, I feel the tape is overkill, but I guess this keeps the package secure. And here is the beauty, all wrapped up comfortably in bubble wrap. Overall length with the hilt and fittings puts it somewhere around 32 centimeters. And here it is, the top half of the kris, which already offers us some hints of its provenance. From irrefutable references, I would identify this kris as a Sumatran Minangkabau specimen. With its tanggah gojong style sampir form, patah tiga burung hilt, and pendongkok tingkat that is unique to the Sumatran Minangkabau region and may be associated with the Pagaruyung kingdom of old. Aside from age-related wear and tear, overall, the condition of this kris set is impeccable. The brass hilt is quite ornately designed, and this would be suggestive that it is not merely a kris for commoners. There is a slight crack on the hilt, and from my experience, this is quite common for hilts that are beyond 150 years old. Let us now take a look at the blade. Gorgeous, absolutely breathtaking. Very, very unique and rare. This is a one-look kris, very rare to come by. Now, some might argue that this is a three-look kris blade, but from my observation, this is a one-look kris with another rare feature of an image of a praying figure, which is referred to as a pandita, a saint or a holy man raising his hand humbly offering a request. Now, in a typical Sumatran fashion, there is an opening here which may have housed a gem or a sphere of gold or other precious metals as a talismanic sign of fulfilling a wish for a desire. Now, I am curious to see the state of the Tangkai kris. Oh, this definitely suggests age and has not been taken apart for a long time. Even the cloth used is breaking apart. For this amount of rust to accumulate, it would have taken years. This brass pandokok too shows signs of tarnishing. Here there is some signs of a sharpening, perhaps by ill-informed persons who may have thought a kris is meant to be sharpened like knives. Please don't do that. A kris is not meant to be sharpened with a sharpening stone. Traditionally, it is chemically sharpened with natural acids. If you have learned something new from today's video, do have a care and remember to subscribe, like and share if you would. Your support will help this video reach out to other kris enthusiasts out there and will allow them to discover and explore deeper into the facets of kris collecting in upcoming videos. Do share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's weave the future of kris collecting together. So we have unboxed. What's next? Definitely the next step I will head towards to is restoration. I am going to clean the blade and free it from rust. Then I will see if warangan is needed on this piece or an alternative preservation method can be applied. If you are curious to know what that other alternative method may be, do subscribe and get notified of the next update to this video. Now, on another note, if you are in Singapore and you would like to participate in a private kris restoration experience with me, do drop me a direct message via the link which I will pin in the comment section below. Now, also not to forget my international audience, would you be interested to see a live stream of the entire kris restoration process? Do share your thoughts via the comments or direct message to me as well. If you need a refresher on the stages of kris restoration, do check out my previous videos right here. Until my next video, stay curious, start exploring, and keep the legacy of the kris alive.